Alright, so now we need to replace this ugly thing because I don't know what happened to the cover. We gotta get that fixed right now. Got the little emblem here, so it looks pretty simple to put in. Let's see how simple it really is.
Huh?
I thought they screwed on, but after careful research on YouTube, I realized it's just stuck on there. So you need something to get up under that and get. Almost. There we go. All right. Boom. We out of there. That's one. Trying to do this without scratching the paint is nerve-wracking. There we go. That's good. See? Sometimes I use my head. All right, it's all clear. Now we reinstall the new ones that the new emblem came with. And then since it is easy line, all you do is pop in. We're good to go. Nice. Take off the protective cover.
Mama, we did it.
That was surprisingly easy and satisfying. All right, we got it all on there. Looking good as new. Cause this was not the business. So let's get back to it. And we'll pick this up at another time.